Good evening guys and welcome to my channel, Rans TV. Pahanapin natin guys yung Lasa Restaurant. So magdi-dinner kami ng wife ko. So medyo matagal-tagal na rin na hindi na kami nakapasyal dito kasi nga on board ako. Lasa Restaurant is located in SMBF Paranaque, second floor. So you can find a lot of stuff in here at SM at saka may marami sila mga amusement na playground. Finally, andito na tayo sa Lasa Restaurant. Ayan, Filipino Barbecue Roast by Lola.
So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Rans TV. So we're having a dinner with my wife. So in order namin is bulalo with bone marrow, tapos java rice, one of my favorites. Tapos halo-halo, hindi nawawala yung halo-halo. Napakasarap. Classic halo-halo at saka mango halo-halo. So ita-try natin yan guys ha. Tapos tuna also. Nag-order din kami ng tuna. So ita-try natin yung tuna na grilled. Kung ano yung lasa. So ayan guys, ayan yung bulalo natin at saka java rice. Ayan, so inaantay lang natin guys yung tuna na grilled. So guys, ito naman yung tuna grilled belly. Yeah. Guys, bulalo. Bon appetit. Ito yung java rice. So galing kami ng Caloocan, nag-deliver kami ng shoes at saka jersey. Tapos nadaan sana kami ng office kaya lang traffic, kaya nag-decide na kami na mag-dinner na lang ng my wife. So ayan guys, bon appetit. So ito like yung tuna. Okay. So yan, nag-iiwa si wifey ng favorite niya na tuna belly. So guys, so ito yung bone marrow guys, oh. Ito. Napakalaki, oh. Ito yung masarap guys. Favorite ko to na ano. Ayan. Laki ng buto, ano. Yes, my dear, what can you say about the classic halo-halo?
Masarap.
Laki ng ice cream. Ito naman yung sa akin, guys. So the price of this one is 175. Kaya nga, mango. Halo-halo. So what you have there inside of it? It's a beans, it's a sweet beans, the white beans, the gulaman, and the halo-halo ube. Makapuno. So mine is we have here the ice cream and the biscuit. Ayan. Tapos mayroon din siyang ingredients ng gulaman. Tapos may ice cream na rin siya. Tapos nata de coco. Napakasarap niya. Tama lang sa lasa, hindi masyadong matamis. So napakasarap niya, guys, ha? So yan. So mahilig kasi kami sa halo-halo, kaya every time nakakain kami, laging may halo-halo na kasama. So tinatry namin yung mga flavors niya. Shoutout nga pala, guys, kay Ken Martinez ng Lasang Filipino Barbecue and Roast by Lola. So Ken Martinez is working here in Lola Restaurant. So grabe, guys, nabusog kami sa pagkain na in-order namin, lalo na sa halo-halo. So guys, kakatapos lang namin mag-dinner with my wife. We're headed now to the car park kasi almost 9 o'clock na, magko-close na. So tomorrow may pasok kasi, so umaga kailangan uwi na ng bahay para makapag-chill little bit at saka makapag-rest. So see you guys in my next vlog.
So on our way to parking lot. So dito na kami sa 4th floor ng parking lot ng SM. So ayan yung baby namin, si baby Tia Jane. Kaya ko pinangalan siya ng Tia Jane kasi katas siya ng Tianjin sa Lashing.